morning, all my, oh, good morning, teacher, and good morning, all my friends.
Good morning.
My name is Yang Sai. I'm from Korea. Not Yang Sai, Yang Sai. I'll talk about the story of the program. Name's title is Cleaning Woman. Why I talk about the cleaning woman after an already topic I explain. The cleaning woman, a woman very work hard. Cleaning street. As her first very dirty and smelly. All people went away from her, and when we saw her, when the Bogart talked to her nicely. The people were surprised. They asked Bogart, why? Oh, you always ask us to be clean. Why you are talking to smelly woman? Oh, this smelly woman. The Bogart replied, although this smelly woman is smelly, but her mind is clean. She's polite and she works hard for others. Some people look clean and tidy, but their minds are full of bad thoughts. Having mind clean is more important wearing clean clothes. And I'm shocked. Don't just look down on everyone if you don't know a study about them. And if you read the book, don't just look at the cover and the side. If you don't know inside the book, why I shoot this title? It's not short and easy, and I can't wear. Because when I was young, we are not this family, we are poor. Everyone look down on me. We are just look outside, not see my end inside. The people is sorry, can you mind?